Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, उम्मीद है कि आप ठीक होंगे। आज मैं बात करने लगा हूँ पाकिस्तान स्टडीज के MCQ से रिलेटेड पार्ट 6। अगर फाइल PDF में चाहिए तो अपनी ईमेल ID कमेंट्स कर दें, आपको PDF फाइल में मिल जाएगी। Question number 51. To whom the Injil was revealed? Option A, Hazrat Daud alayhi salam. Option B, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Option C, Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. Option D, none of these. The right answer is option B, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Question number 52. Two angels are appointed on each person. One of them maintains the good deeds and the other one records evil deeds. These two angels are known as option A, Kiraman Katibin, option B, Hazrat Jibreel, option C, Munkir Nakir, option D, none of these. Right answer is option A, Kiraman Katibin. Question number 53. The angel who will blow the trumpet on the day of resurrection is option A, Hazrat Mikail alayhi salam, option B, Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam, option C, Hazrat Israfil alayhi salam, option D, Hazrat Israel alayhi salam. Right answer is option C, Hazrat Israfil alayhi salam. Question number 54. To whom the Torah was revealed? Option A, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Option B, Hazrat Sheesh alayhi salam. Option C, Hazrat Daud alayhi salam. Option D, Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. Right answer is option D, Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. Question number 55. To whom the Zabur was revealed? Option A, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Option B, Hazrat Sheesh alayhi salam. Option D, Hazrat Daud alayhi salam. Option D, Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. Right answer is option C, Hazrat Daud alayhi salam. Question number 56. Who is referred in the Quran as a Ruh? Option A, Hazrat Mikail alayhi salam. Option B, Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam. Option C, Hazrat Israfil alayhi salam. Option D, Hazrat Israel alayhi salam. Right answer is option B, Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam. Question number 57. Who is the greatest angel according to the teachings of Islam? Option A, Hazrat Mikail alayhi salam. Option B, Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam. Option C, Hazrat Israfil alayhi salam. Option D, Hazrat Israel alayhi salam. Right answer is option B, Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam. Question number 58. On which prophets were scrolls ciphers revealed? Option A, Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Option B, Hazrat Sheesh alayhi salam. Option C, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Option D, all of these. The right answer is option D, all of these. Question number 59. Which is the last holy book? Option A, Torah. Option B, Quran. Option C, Injil. Option D, none of these. Right answer is option B, Quran. Question number 16. Which holy book is called the Gospel? Option A, Torah. Option B, Zabur. Option C, Injil. Option D, none of these. The right answer is option C, Injil. ये थी पार्ट 6 से रिलेटेड वीडियो। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कर दें, कमेंट में अपना राय ज़रूर दें और चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर दें। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।